So all we're doing is, right now, we're just scraping off. There was grass like this, overgrown grass. We're just scraping the grass off, getting down to the gravel that was here. I gotta do that line a little better. Getting the grass up, making it flat. I'm gonna do the same right here, straight along this line. It's short and not really much to show. It's just kind of touchy, but we're gonna scrape this, and then tomorrow we're getting some gravel delivered, and I'll show you guys that tomorrow. Okay, so we just scraped and scraped here, and I'm gonna try to get this to be a nice curve, and then whatever we have left, I'm gonna skim the driveway and then try to get a curve there and a curve there. But we got a tri-axle coming tomorrow morning, and it should be enough gravel to cover everything here. But I'll bring you guys back tomorrow when that's happening. Yeah. You're good. Yeah, thank you, man. All right. So we got our gravel. Try to keep it all in. Yeah, it's 6:30 in the morning. It's supposed to be here at 9, but whatever. Ran out here to make sure that I had to move my skid steer so he could dump it where I want it. So I'm gonna go home and have some coffee and then come back here. And we're first gonna probably spread it out over here. Yeah, that should be plenty to cover this whole drive, and then even the driveway, you can get the driveway. But yeah, so she's awake now, so let's go say hi. So I think the camera cut off while we were moving this back because it's too hot. But graveled in front, graveled the driveway, did the little flares out, graveled around this curve. I could have done a little bit better of a job here. And also me tracking into the yard makes it look rough. Got this section where they park. Yeah, so we're all good. Got paid. I gotta pay for the gravel, and I gotta take this back. Luckily, we're right up the road from our shop, so I could just drive this down the road, and then I'll walk back up and get my truck. But everything's good. Everything looks good. Hopefully, that was a quick and moderately entertaining video for you guys. I know it's gonna be short. This is mostly time lapse, and this only took a couple hours, but we're good. And enjoy your weekend. Good evening, good afternoon, good night.